Hey guys, I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we share with you all skincare tips and review skincare products. In today's video, we'll be introducing to you two new booster serums from Simple, the Simple Blue and the Simple Pink. Both of these serums are designed for sensitive skin and are free from harsh chemicals, coloring, and from perfume as well. They're both effective, yet kind serums with high concentration of active ingredients so that you can see results much quicker. As we all know, choosing the right skincare products for sensitive skin is very crucial. Using skincare products with harsh ingredients which contains alcohol, coloring, or perfume can actually cause your skin to be red, cause a breakout, or even skin irritation. That is why it's important to choose skincare products which are both kind yet effective for your skin. So today we'll be introducing to you two different serums which are kind yet effective for your skin. So let's start by discussing the three key ingredients in both serums. Both the serums contain three key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, and niacinamide. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that deeply hydrates your skin, gives it a nice plump, dewy look. Vitamin B5 helps soothe and heal your skin, and niacinamide helps brighten your skin tone. Niacinamide even helps reduce enlarged pores, minimize sebum production, and at the same time help repair and calm your skin. Now let's talk about the different benefits of both the serums. Let's start with the Simple Blue. It contains 3% hyaluronic acid which helps hydrate your skin and makes your skin nice, plump, and dewy. It also contains vitamin B5 to help hydrate dry, dehydrated skin, and at the same time even helps hydrate oily skin. On the other hand, the Simple Pink helps even out skin tone and give your skin this nice glow. Simple Pink contains 10% niacinamide to actually achieve that nice glowing skin. It is also ideal for people with uneven skin tone and skin dullness. On top of that, the Simple Pink is great for someone with enlarged pores, dehydrated skin, and at the same time if you want to stimulate more collagen in your skin. Now, next up, how do you actually apply both these serums? Before you apply any of the serums, first of all, you will need to shake the bottle thoroughly. And after shaking it, what you need to do is just a couple of drops of the serum on your fingers. Generally, I would like to use 2 fingertips, drop enough serum over the top, and then pat it on your skin. Both serums are lightweight in texture, absorbs very easily in your skin, and does not leave that greasy sensation on your skin. And for added hydration, I highly recommend you to top your skin up with a moisturizer after applying both the serums. This will help lock in the moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the entire day. Now before you run out and purchase any skincare products, make sure you check the ingredient list very thoroughly first. Make sure the products that you're using are free from coloring, chemical, and perfume. The Simple Blue and the Simple Pink are both very good options for you if you have sensitive skin. They both contain the necessary ingredients to give you a nice plump and glowing skin. Now thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have ever used both these products before. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Inky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.